Humanistic theory is an approach to development that examines the whole person, taking into consideration all aspects of human existence and the uniqueness of all individuals. The basic beliefs of humanism include that people are generally good, have almost limitless potential, and all persons are unique individuals. Abraham Harold Maslow, 1908 to 1970. Abraham Maslow is best known for his hierarchy of needs, which is a theory in psychology that ranks human needs in order of importance. So Maslow believed that people are motivated to meet certain basic needs and that some needs take precedence over others. So has made a major contribution to teaching and classroom management is schools. Abraham Maslow has been called the father of humanistic psychology not only because he created the hierarchy of needs, but also because he organized one of the first meetings of human psychologists. Importance of humanistic theory in human development. Humanistic theory is important in human development because it focuses on potential for healthy development and the importance of self-actualization and personal growth. Self-actualization, personal experience, social change, upholding rights and dignity, self-discovery. The importance of individual subjective experience, free will, personal responsibility, and self-determination. Self-actualization. Self-actualization, according to Abraham Harold Maslow, self-actualization, everyone has an inborn drive to reach their full potential. However, to achieve this, basic needs must be met first, known as the hierarchy of needs or Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Hierarchy of needs is a pyramid of 5 levels: the physiological needs, safety needs, love and belongingness needs, esteem needs, and self-actualization needs. Physiological needs. So at the bottom of Maslow's pyramid are physiological needs, which entail air, food, shelter, warmth, and water. So a human being can only survive without air, specifically oxygen, for about 3 minutes, 3 days without water, and 3 weeks without food. Thus, according to the hierarchy of needs, these basic life requirements must first be met before moving up the pyramid to higher level needs. These needs include sleep, excretion, and staying mostly in a state of homeostasis as well. The next level up is security needs, which include insurance, safety, steady job. So above is delineated how a human being meets the basic requirements of day-to-day living in this world. So these include not only the security of the physical body but also of employment and property. Love and belongingness needs. We see that the bottom 2 pyramid levels deal a lot with merely surviving on this harsh planet. At the next level are the social needs of belonging, family, love. Above are them needs, but technically, a human being does not need them to survive. These include meaningful friendships and close family bonds which last for many years. Esteem needs, the second level from the top, includes the 2 esteem needs of accomplishment and the self-worth. Self-actualization needs, which are the top of the hierarchy, focus on realizing your full potential. People who are working towards meeting these needs are looking for self-fulfillment and personal growth. Importance highlights the positive aspects of human nature. It focuses on personal growth and self-improvement, education, therapy, and personal development. Application in therapy, therapists provide a supportive environment that helps clients explore their feelings and thoughts. In education, teachers encourage students to take responsibility for their learning and to develop their own interests and abilities.